PS4 not turning on, causes and fixes. Your console is dead and your evening is ruined. I know that feeling of staring at a black screen while your friends are waiting online. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home right now after watching this video. Please comment below if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more professional troubleshooting guides. First, check your power cable. Ensure it is plugged firmly into your PS4 and the wall outlet. Avoid using power strips for now. Plug the console directly into a wall outlet to test the connection. Unplug the power cable for at least 30 seconds. This discharges residual power and resets the internal components. Overheating is a major cause. If your console is hot or loud, it might shut down to protect itself. Use compressed air to clean the vents. Dust buildup blocks airflow and causes the system to fail. If the power is fine, try safe mode. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep after 7 seconds. Connect your controller with a USB cable. This allows you to navigate the diagnostic menu. Select option 5, Rebuild Database. This scans the drive and fixes corrupted files without deleting your data. You can also select Update System Software. A corrupted update might be blocking the startup. Sometimes the internal hard drive gets loose. Slide off the cover to check the HDD caddy. Unscrew the single screw and pull the drive out. Push it back in firmly to ensure a solid connection. Here is a pro tip. Try slowly inserting a game disc. This often tricks the console into powering on. Check your HDMI cable. A faulty cable can make it look like the console is not turning on. If nothing works, you might need to initialize the system. This returns the console to factory settings. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart to refresh the system. These solutions are verified by official support and user feedback. Most issues can be solved with these steps. If the blue light continues to pulse, you may have a faulty internal power supply or motherboard. You have got this. Your gaming session will be back on track in no time. Stay confident.